The girls can't spend a day without makeup. They will turn paint into eyeshadow, glue into nail polish, and a ruler into a comb, even if it's not allowed to wear makeup at school. Watch a new compilation of weird school supplies in our new video. The girls can't turn their backs on makeup, but applying makeup in class is bad luck. You may get a remark from your teacher. Miss Smith seizes all of our lipsticks, eyeshadows, and hopes for a beautiful future. The teacher goes through our makeup bags and decides to teach us a lesson. She substitutes a lipstick for similar-looking stationery. We will need a small glue stick. Print out a lip balm label and cut it out. And attach it to the glue stick using double-sided tape. Do not cover the cap and the bolt screw. Apparently, Miss Smith has a change of heart because she gives us the lipstick back. It's great! I open the cap, but there's no lip balm. It's glue! And my friend applies it to her notebook easily. In cold blood, Miss Smith gave us this lip balm, which can glue our mouths so that we stop chatting in class. Miss Smith wants to be beautiful in class. She takes EOS lip balm. Oops, it's the wrong one. There's chalk hidden in this lip balm. Take apart an empty EOS container. Cover the cap with fatty cream. Prepare some chalk from plaster and water. Mix the ingredients until a milkshake consistency. Add pink acrylic paint. Mix until it blends. Pour liquid chalk into the lip balm cap, smudged with fatty cream. Put on the middle part. Add the hardened chalk on top. Spread it all over the grid. Let it harden. Miss Smith applies EOS directly to the blackboard. Apparently, she wants to moisturize and soften its surface. And while the students are distracted, she takes the right lip balm and applies it to her lips. It's time for an art class. My friend takes out a big makeup palette. Oh, are we going to do eye makeup or will we use eyeshadow instead of paint? It turns out that the makeup palette is just for disguise. There is artist paint in the palette. Print out pictures of an eyeshadow palette and a makeup brand logo. Attach them to the paint box using double-sided tape. Attach the logo to the bottom and the palette to the lid. This paint set will add some brightness to your art class. It will emphasize any picture. Just don't mistake it for an eyeshadow palette. Curly Sue takes out all her makeup stuff. She has literally everything. Tubes, boxes, vials. Miss Smith rushes to us looking worried. Calm down. This is not eyeshadow. It's just a crayon. Take a metallic bottom from an empty eyeshadow container. Cover it with plastic wrap and smudge it with some cream. Melt wax crayons of a few different colors in a spoon. Pour it out on the wrap covered with cream. When hardened, put the colored wax into the eyeshadow container. My friend manages to complete her makeup while I draw with crayons. Oh dear! The weird makeup she's done can strike you down. Maybe it's right that it's not allowed to use makeup at school. Miss Smith is not going to put up with it in her class. Curly Sue will have to wash off her entire makeup. Miss Smith finds a container with foundation in the girls' makeup bag. Let's try it out. Fill a syringe with acrylic paint of a cream color and eject it into a clean foundation container. Watch out! Wet paint! On the other hand, Miss Smith can create body art instead of applying boring foundation. I need to highlight a phrase in my notebook. Does my friend have a marker? But she has something better. It's glossy nail polish. I mean, glitter glue. It can help me add some shine to my notes. Mix glitter of different sizes, colors, and shapes with clear glue. Pour it in an empty nail polish bottle. Miss Smith notices makeup on the desk. I've caught you! She takes the glue away, being totally sure that it is a glossy nail polish. The teacher wants to make her bright manicure much brighter. Miss Smith covers her nails with a glittery layer and waits for it to get dry. Poor teacher! She doesn't even suspect that this nail polish will take too much time to get dry. There you go! She's glued 2 of her fingers. Be careful not to attach to anything else. Do you need a ruler? Here you are. Take my comb. Does it make sense? It does, since it's not just a comb, but a measuring tool, a comb ruler. Make hatch marks on a comb of a light color using a pencil and a ruler. Define the hatch marks with acrylic paint. Use a thin brush. Add a decoration on the handle. You can make a straight line as well as straighten your hair with this comb. It is so handy! At the same time, you can measure how much your hair has grown. I need a regular pencil, but unfortunately, all the pencils are nowhere to be found. Miss Smith hurries up to rescue and puts a black makeup pencil on my desk. Cover a regular round pencil without an eraser with black acrylic paint. Color the blunt end in silver. Paint the remaining part black. Put on a makeup pencil cap with a brush when the paint dries. Paint an eye with lashes on the black body using silver paint. Does the teacher actually allow us to do our makeup in class? Nope, it is absolutely impossible. It's just a regular pencil that wants to look more beautiful. But it is still designed to draw squares and triangles, but not to do makeup. We come up with a new prank while Miss Smith is away. We are going to upgrade her perfume. Let's add some magnetic power to it. Attach mini perfume vials to pieces of magnet sheet. The teacher comes back to her workplace. Well, where's my perfume? It's been somewhere here. Oh, it's crawled up the school board. Well, it is handy. My mini vials will always be on hand, and they will not get lost among the papers on the desk. It's a pity that we can't go to a hair salon for a blowout instead of the class, but you can still have a stylish hairdo if your friend is nearby. Let's braid it. We will need some hairspray, but it is nowhere to be found. The help comes from an unexpected source. Miss Smith brings us hairspray. Let's try it out. It turns out that it is not the hairspray at all. It is a pencil case. Paint a tube-shaped colored pencil container blue. Print out hairspray labels and attach them once the paint is dry. We've got a cardboard box so we can use white glue. Make a black dot on the top to make it look like a spray hole. Miss Smith is happy. She thinks that she put an end to our hair salon. No way! We will use what we have. We will curl hair using pencils like hair rollers. In case you need a green color, just take it out of your hair and draw. I take out a big set of makeup. There is eyeshadow, blush, and face powder. I put the makeup where everyone can see it and wait for my favorite teacher to react. Print out a picture of a makeup palette and attach it to a notebook folder. Use wide double-sided tape. Attach a makeup brand logo to the bottom of the folder. The bright folder on my desk will definitely attract Miss Smith's attention. The teacher has come up already. She takes away my palette, hoping to fix up her makeup. Oops! Miss Smith finds my notebooks instead of blush and face powder. It is a studying set, not a makeup one. Did you like our new ideas of weird school supplies? Then write in your comments how you will disguise your pencils and rulers. Will you add magnets to perfume vials? Or turn wax crayons into eyeshadow? Or hide glue in lip balm? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas of creative school supplies on our channel.